Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just emptied out my tumbler, and I just wanted to show you guys what I fit in this thing. So I'm going to bring it down here. Two, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, a pendant, and 90. And they are all clean and shiny. So I did beforehand wipe these down with chrome and polish. Chrome and polish stuff from Walmart. So these have just been wiped down, and a lot faster than I could have done it on my buffer. So I saved my buffer wheel and got all these done nice and quick. That's awesome. I'm super excited with all of that. It's just craziness. I think I said 90. I think so. I just want to show you what came out of my tumbler this morning. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Keep making. If you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe. Also, click the bell and select all so you get all of our updated videos as soon as they come out.